the graphic design demonstration portion of the module. Graphic design is a skill, just like copywriting, is included in a lot of different tasks that you will complete as a freelancer. The website we're on right now is called canva.com. They have a free plan as well as a paid plan. But even the free plan will allow you to start with templates that are already professionally designed by graphic designers. And what I mean by templates is Instagram posts, infographics, logos, flyers, and much, much more. Because when you start to think about it and look into it, graphic design is incorporated in almost every single thing that a business or a person does online. As I continue to scroll through these, you can see that there are so many different applications of graphic design, whether it's a physical, in-person item like a business card or a certificate, magazine, or if it's something online like the banner of a blog. No matter what it is, graphic design is usually incorporated when you're marketing businesses online. And as a freelancer, you know that more and more companies are moving their businesses online. And because of that, graphic design is another skill that is massively in demand. And you can charge very high prices because the value you're providing is very high as well. When you give a company a website or a branding package, or you create business cards for them or social media posts, and they're a high level, what you're doing is you're bringing the value of their brand up. And that helps them make more money, attract more customers, and ultimately that's what helps you secure a long-term position. Another thing that people think about when they think of graphic design is logo creation. A lot of new companies being created and a lot of logos are in demand. So what you can do is you can start with templates that are already professionally designed. And I want to show you how you can get an idea for how to create a logo. And then I want you to see how you can literally become a graphic designer when you know how to use the right tools. As you can see here, the templates are on the left-hand side. And what they do is they break it up by industry or category. And this is really helpful because you can try to find whatever's the most relevant based on whatever kind of logo you want to create. And from there, you can choose one. And let's say we want to just let's choose like a business one. You can also do search. So let's say we want to choose a business one. And then it'll bring up different business logos, different templates. So if we wanted to start with one right here, you can load it up. And what will happen is it'll give you an editable version that you can update every part of. So if you wanted to click on this, you can change the color up here. You can also change the text. So let's just put in profitable freelancer. And as you can see, it didn't fit. But that's no problem because everything is drag and drop and everything is very easy to just move around and edit. If you want to move this logo a little bit, it's another cool thing. It will show you where the middle is so you can create professionally designed graphic designs that are right on point. And let's do down here. Let's say we run a rate academy. And once you have this, you can also edit the background. You can edit with a custom color as well, which is pretty cool. Kind of drag it around, see what is best for you. And then you can also save different colors as well. Let's leave it on that. And then from here, what I want to show you is another cool feature. If we exit out of the search and we go back to just the different templates, as you click through, you're able to look at different versions of what your logo could look like. So as I click through here, it brings that text along. And this is a great feature that Canva has because you can get an idea and send a client, for example, multiple different variations of a logo or any branding or graphic design work you're doing. And that will help you stand out because you're not just presenting them one logo and saying, hey, this is what I did, but you're going to show them a multitude of different options. And this tool lets you do that. It is really powerful how you can start to see that no matter what you click on, it's going to work it into the logo. And that's all because these templates are designed like that. And then if you want to go even deeper into a specific category, you can click See All. and that will bring up multiple different templates with that category. So right now we're in food and drink logos now. So if you continue to scroll down, you can see that not only do they have a couple of templates, but they have a lot, and these are free. So if you scroll over it and it says free, that's free. They do have some paid ones for the paid plan. So many of them are free, and you can start to just click through them and get a good idea of what design you want to deliver. Now we're back on the home page, and the last thing I wanted to show you about using Canva to create beautiful graphic designs is going down to the design by category section. And here you can click through different categories to help you narrow down what template you want to find. So from social media, it will break out Instagram posts, Instagram stories, animated social media posts, Facebook cover, all the way through everything social media related, even YouTube thumbnails, YouTube channel art. You can start to deliver these graphic design services based on whatever skill set you are serving. Moving on to events, they have a lot of different things for events, and these are more in-person physical products, design elements. And then marketing, a lot of the same social media ones we've seen, as well as flyers, logos, brochures, things of that nature. And they also have document layouts, which is very helpful. So if you're creating a presentation, whether it's for yourself to a potential client, or whether you're creating a presentation for the potential client, this is a great place to start because you're going to have a leg up based on if you started from scratch. Whenever you start with a template, you have a much higher chance for success when it comes to design because the professionals design the template in a specific way. And all you have to do is go in there and add your content in, as opposed to starting from scratch with a blank piece of paper, which is extremely difficult. Also, they have other documents and reports, even resumes, that you can use, even invoices, as a freelancer. If you keep scrolling through whatever category it is, it will give you a full view of every single thing that they offer. If we go back to the categories, they have prints as well. T-shirts you can design on here, posters, labels, then video. They also have video templates, intros for Facebook and YouTube, and animated social media posts. This is the way of the future. More and more social media platforms and businesses are moving to video content. So if you're providing some sort of video editing skill, you can combine that with a graphic design element using this free tool that I'm showing you. They also have school-related ones, and one of my other favorite templates is this infographic template. These are really cool because this is something you would never be able to provide if you didn't have a type of free tool like this. But once you do have a tool like this, you can start to provide skills you never even thought you could, because you can map out the contents of your mind onto paper in a visually appealing way, because someone already helped you with the first step. And it's great. It all works the same way. All you have to do is just click on the template, it loads it up, and you can start to go in here and edit every single piece of it. So that was a little bit of a introduction and a demonstration on what graphic design is, how it applies to a wide array of different freelancing tasks, and why you should dedicate some time to developing your graphic design skill set.